Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get so many followers in your Instagram. For that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to go to the Instagram and then you have to just find follow me, follow back, follow me, follow you. So here just select any of this ID, and like I'm selecting this one, and here you can see 11.6k follower. So you can see here so many followers are here, so you have to follow them one by one because they are also came from like the people whom she followed. They again followed her back, so it's kind of a trick to get so many followers in Instagram. So you just follow them all, and then after some time you will see they'll start following you. Like, look at this. So one came, I just follow one and it just gave, he or she just gave me a follow request too. So that's how you can get so many Instagram followers. So it's kind of trick, so you guys can also follow this trick and get so many followers in your Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.